I'm super excited to be at Canva Community Labs today. I came in not too sure what to expect, but so far it's been exciting. I'm really looking forward to the design challenge, and if you missed it this year, you should come next year.
I've learned a lot, especially with the Canva AI, where you are able to do a lot of design and even creating websites seamlessly.
I actually learned a lot because I didn't even know that you can use Canva to do a video or even edit pictures. But today I've learned that, and I'm so grateful for the opportunity.
Pour l'événement du Canva, et c'est vraiment formidable. J'ai trop appris et j'espère que dans bientôt, on arrivera au Cameroun.
This is my first time at the Canva Community Labs event, and I must say it was very, very exciting. It was very educative. I just had a lot of fun.
You don't need to be a design pro for you to get acquainted with Canva.
Hi, I'm Vicky. I'm new to Canva, and this is my first time attending any program like this, and I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it.
Hi, my name is Chelsea and I'm also a first timer, and my experience has been very awesome. It's been a very surreal experience, meeting people and getting to learn the new things that Canva has on board. So we are definitely coming next time. Thank you, Canva Africa, for having us. Bye.
Canva Community Lab 2026 was a very good experience for me, especially being a beginner to Canva. The program was quite immersive and it wasn't separating beginners from pros. It was very integrative, and I think it was a good experience, and hopefully I look out for another community.
After university, I went for an interview. After they asked me all the questions, they asked me whether I know how to use Canva. I said no, and that one alone, they decided to underpay me. They paid me 800 Ghana cedis as a degree holder just because I don't know how to use Canva. Honestly, during that time, I didn't even know there is something called Canva. Because of this, I decided to be intentional and I started learning about Canva. I'm glad that today, this same Canva has opened a lot of opportunities for me, both locally and internationally. I collaborate with people in Kenya, Uganda, US, UK to work on projects, and also I'm now Canva ambassador, which I'm spreading the news of people learning digital skills and also learning about Canva so that they can get more opportunities.
Today we brought the Canva event to an end, and today was massive. So if you didn't come and you missed it, Charlie, we want to see you in the very next one. Remember, bring your creative ideas to life, Charlie. I check, sir.
Wow.